Hey guys, avidpauly here again, and I'm here to bring you a new video. That's right, I will be making Wingstop lemon pepper chicken, because I know exactly how to make it and I'm going to show you. Now, if you can, do me a big favor, like this video if you like it, but definitely subscribe, because those subscriptions, will help me make more videos, you know what I mean? All right, so let's go.
You're checking out avidpauly.
Okay guys, we are going to cut up some of the chicken right here. I'm gonna cut it basically in halves. Matter of fact, I don't know, you know what? Just chop that bad boy. Like so. I never really worked with a cleaver before, so yeah. Basically chopping these suckers in half. Yeah. I'm not doing such a great job, but it is getting the job done because we're just cutting them in halves. There we go. All right, so now let's clean them up. Okay guys, like I said before, I sometimes use the apple cider vinegar. I mean, it's vinegar, but apple cider vinegar is real good for cleaning the chicken. Basically, you clean it like that. I already wash these in water, but this right here, it kills off any other bacteria that's in there. And guess what? I have a lime where basically, just like you do with soap, you clean your chicken real good with the lime. Basically, all the chicken. Use lime, clean up your chicken. Okay guys, after we finish cleaning the chicken, now we are going to do the seasoning. So what do we use? We're going to use some pepper, some salt, some garlic powder, and this right here, this right here is the main thing, the Creole seasoning. I'm gonna throw in a dash of adobo, always I love the adobo, and the lemon and pepper seasoning. Okay, so basically, first thing, basically a half a teaspoon. Well, I mean, I'm eyeballing it now, but basically it's gonna be a half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of adobo, half a teaspoon garlic. Now you see I'm only putting it on one side for right now. And half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Turn it over, because you definitely want it not kind of like to be thick with these seasonings, but this right here, you gotta taste this sucker. I mean, it's gotta marinate into the chicken. So on the same side, on the opposite side, salt, pepper, adobo, garlic powder, Creole seasoning. Now right there, I'm telling you, that right there gives it so much flavor. And last but not least, the lemon pepper seasoning. It's kind of like you want it to be breaded. Oh man, it gets to you too. All right, so we have this. And we put it in, we refrigerate for about 30 minutes, okay? So let's put this in the refrigerator. Okay, now after the chicken has been refrigerated for about 30 minutes, now we are going to season the flour. Bring that over here. We're going to season the flour with some pepper, with some salt, with some adobo, some garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper, little bit of paprika, again the Creole seasoning, and just so y'all can see what it looks like, this right here is a secret weapon right here. And last but not least, the lemon pepper. Man, all I could find is a spoon. You just basically just whip that up. I'm gonna tell you, that lemon pepper, it'll make you sneeze, cough a little bit, so try to kind of like hold your breath when you do it. But believe me, it's so good. Yeah, man. Now you see, I didn't put too much in here because we're not going to actually like fry this. We don't want to have like crispy chicken or anything like that. We're only gonna lightly bread the chicken, the flour on it. Okay, so just a thin coating of seasoned flour. All right, so number one, basically, like I said, just very lightly coated chicken is the way that we want it. Just lightly, not that much. Okay, so now I broke out my struggle fryer again, and we're going to fill it up with, right now I'm using vegetable oil. Just a little bit, not that much. Basically like halfway. And we set the degrees up to about 350 degrees and wait for that to heat up. Okay, now we're about to fry up the chicken. So basically just place these in here. Yes, it's very small. I'm only gonna do probably like 3 at a time. It's all good, it's all right, because this is just for video purposes only. Okay, so, you know, I'm just gonna put in like 3 right there. And we're gonna fry these bad boys for about 10 minutes at a time. If you want it a little bit more crispier, 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, you know when it's ready when they basically float to the top. That's when you know they're basically ready. Okay, see some more lemon pepper on there. All right, so let's take these out. Yeah, definitely nice. Okay, this one's coming out pretty good too. All right, looking good. Let's take these bad boys out of here. Whoa, now that looks good. But you know what? We're not finished yet. Let me show you how you make this Wingstop special. Okay, first of all, we're going to take a half a stick of butter and we are going to melt it. All right, nice and hot and buttery. So now we are going to add about a half a tablespoon of black ground pepper. All right. And some more lemon and pepper seasoning. And then okay, let's stir it up while it's nice and hot. Look at that sucker smoking. Oh yeah, so now that's lemon buttery. Then what we're going to do is put in a little brush and let's take this over to the chicken. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is that lemon, pepper, juice, we're going to baste the chicken with it. You put as much or as little as you want. I like mine's nice and flavorful. Like so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're gonna taste the flavor on these bad boys. All right. So basically, this is it. This is Wingstop style lemon pepper chicken. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to taste that. Again, you don't have to go out to eat good food. You make it at home just as easily, and it tastes just as good, if not better, and you did it yourself. So let me see. Oh. Man, I'm gonna tear this up. Oh God. Wow. I'm just getting good parts of these. Forget that. Oh gosh. Nice and crispy. Nice and juicy. I can taste the lemon. I can taste the butter. I can taste the pepper. Perfectly golden brown. All right, guys, so I'm about to go chill and finish eating my chicken. But in the meantime, do me a favor, like and subscribe to me. Leave a comment at the bottom if this helped you out in any way. You know, Snoopy's looking at this chicken like, damn, man, I want some. Till next time.